Hello. Today, we will learn about the phrase go over to somebody. This means moving closer to someone or visiting them. Somebody means somebody, a person. You use it when you want to talk or be near someone. For example, I will go over to my friend. Remember, you always say go over to, not just go over. It is an inseparable phrase, so don't put words between go over and to. You can use it in many situations. Like at a party, you might say, I will go over to Sarah. Or at work, he went over to his colleague for help. It is a simple way to say you are moving towards someone. Don't confuse it with go up to or go towards. Go up to means approach directly. Go towards means move in the direction, but not necessarily reach. Practice by saying sentences with go over to somebody. For example, she goes over to her neighbor every day. This phrase helps you sound natural in English. Try it out next time you talk about visiting or moving closer to someone. Thanks for watching. See you next time.